Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add or create a product in your Zoho CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you add a product into your Zoho CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that adding in a product manually to every single quote can be time consuming. So if you set up a product, you can easily drop it into each and every quote with a click of a button. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a new product into your Zoho CRM, up here on the top menu, you want to click on products. Once you click there, you can go ahead and create a product or import products if you have them in a spreadsheet. For today's video, I'm going to go ahead and create a new product. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and create a product. As you can see, there's a lot of different options you can add into this, but at the bare minimum, you need to add a product name. So let's say we are doing YouTube marketing monthly. Okay. And here you can go ahead and add all of these categories and descriptions if you want. I usually don't do that. What I'll do down here is I will usually add the description. So 1 month marketing on YouTube channel. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a price. Let's say that we're charging $9.99 for this. Here you can go ahead and add a tax if it applies to you. Okay. So once you filled out all of these boxes, as many as you'd like, go ahead and click on the save button here on the top. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my product right here. And later on, if I want to start adding in product category, vendor names, product codes, all of that, I can come back in and edit it. You just hover over the box and then click on the pencil icon. But this is sufficient. So that way, when I go to create another quote, I can easily just drop in this product into my quote instead of typing it out every single time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create or add a product into your Zoho CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.